Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how to talk about an event that began in the past and continues into the present? If no, then you must watch this video, which is about preposition of time. But before that, subscribe my channel Teacher's Pet and click the bell icon for more informative videos. We often use prepositions to place a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase in time. One common problem that English learners face is how to use prepositions of time. Two of the most common prepositions of time are for and since. Here I have two examples. The first one is, I have been living in this cottage for 5 years. The second one is, I have been living in this cottage since 2015. So guys, today you will learn about why we have used for in first sentence and since in second sentence. For this, first we need to understand the use of for and since. We use the preposition for to talk about an amount of time or a space. The amount of time could be seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. Since can refer to a point of time, or it can refer to a particular point beginning some time in the past and continuing until the present time. The particular point in time could be last Monday, 2014, or midnight. Now, by this slide, you will understand the use of for and since more clearly. In this slide, you can see the starting point of any action is 5 o'clock. For that starting point, we use since. Afterwards, that action continues till 8 o'clock. So, the amount of time or the duration of any action from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock is 3 hours. And for that duration, we use for. Now I have another example. How long has he been a student? So, the time or starting point when he became the student is 2000, where we use since. And from 2000 to 2009, he has been a student, which describes the amount of time or the whole duration, which is 9 years. So we use for. There are two sentences. The first one, he has been a student for 9 years. So the 9 years talks about the whole duration. That's why we use for. The second sentence is, he has been a student since 2000. 2000 shows the initial point of any action, so we use since. Now I have a list of time expressions which shows where we use for and where we use since. The list for is 10 minutes, an hour, 3 days, 2 weeks, 5 months, 3 years, a long time, many years. The list for since: 2005, Tuesday, July, 10th March, 6 o'clock, I was born, Christmas, lunchtime. Now I have formula of for and since with some examples. For plus a period of time. The first sentence is, last year I traveled for 3 weeks, past tense. Second sentence is, I have been traveling for 3 weeks, present perfect continuous. The third example is, next year I will travel for 3 weeks, future tense. Here are 3 example sentences that use similar vocabulary but use different verb tenses. The formula of since is since plus a particular point in time. The examples are: it has been raining since yesterday. I have been jogging since 10 p.m. In sentences with since, we usually use perfect tenses. So guys, hope you liked the video and understood the difference between for and since. For more informative videos, share and subscribe the channel Teacher's Pet. Thank you.